You developed a multiplayer indie game called Thorn. Players compete in one of two venues, the ocean or the desert. You track the outcome of 5 games between 3 players in a data frame called Games, and now you want to analyze the data. Convert the Games data frame into a new data frame that identifies how many times each player placement occurs per venue, specifically with venue as the row index and player placed as the column MultiIndex. Here's the solution I came up with. Let's break it down. The first step is to call games.melt, setting ID vars equals venue, var name equals player, and value name equals placed. Conceptually, you can imagine this as stacking the columns Bella1, Billy Bob, and No Soup for You into a single column. Next, if we group the data by venue player placed, then aggregate the groups with size, we get back the count of rows in each group. This tells us how many times each player got each placement for each venue, amongst the triplets that actually occurred in the data. However, it'd be nice if we also had groups for triplets that didn't occur, like Desert Billy Bob 3rd, or Ocean No Soup for You 2nd. There's a few ways we can fix this, but one really cool way is, let's go back to step 1 and convert venue, player, and place to categoricals. Now when we group the data in step 2, all of those unobserved triplets are actually included in the result. At this point, step 2 is a data frame with a 3-level multi-index. If we reshape it using unstack with level equals the list player placed to move the player and placed levels out of the row index and into the column index, we get back our desired result.